From factory automation to renewable energy, industrial applications demand reliable and efficient power solutions. Whether it's robotics, transportation systems, or power distribution networks, each sector relies on high-performance power supplies to maintain seamless operations. At MicroPower Direct, we specialize in delivering compact, high-efficiency, and cost-effective power solutions tailored for industrial environments. With over 5,000 models available, we offer a comprehensive selection of AC/DC power supplies and DC/DC converters, ensuring the perfect fit for your application needs. Whether you require high isolation, ultra-compact designs, wide input ranges, or industry-standard footprints, our extensive product line has a solution that meets your exact specifications. Built for long-term reliability, maximum efficiency, and robust performance, our power solutions excel in even the most demanding industrial applications. Let's take a closer look at some of our leading power solutions designed for industrial applications. The MD100B and MD200B series provides high isolation and efficient performance, making it ideal for industrial control systems and data communications. For industrial automation, our MDR-LY and MDR-TY series offer compact, reliable AC/DC power with universal input compatibility. DIN-rail power supplies are available in a variety of form factors from 15 watts to 960 watts. Need high efficiency and wide input range? The MI4000RU is perfect for applications in telecommunications, railway systems, and industrial electronics. For space-constrained applications, our MPL03SC and MPL05SC series offer ultra-compact, reliable AC/DC conversion. When you need robust power solutions, the MPMC series deliver high power density with reinforced insulation for industrial-grade safety. With over 5,000 models to choose from, MicroPower Direct ensures that no matter the industry or application, you have access to the most reliable, efficient, and cost-effective power solutions available. Visit micropowerdirect.com today to explore our full product range and find the perfect fit for your next industrial project.